Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize credit card rewards with Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize credit card rewards with Capital One, start by understanding your spending habits. Review your monthly expenses to identify categories where you spend the most. Next, log into your Capital One account or download the app for easy access. Familiarize yourself with the rewards structure of your specific Capital One card. Some cards offer higher rewards rates for dining, travel, or groceries. Choose the categories that align with your spending patterns. Look for bonus offers or promotional periods that enhance your rewards potential. Consider using the Capital One Rewards Calculator to estimate your earnings. Set up automatic payments for recurring bills using your Capital One card. This will ensure you earn rewards on your regular expenses. Monitor your points or miles regularly to keep track of your progress. Take advantage of referral programs if you can earn rewards for referring friends. Use the Capital One travel portal to book flights and hotels for additional rewards. If applicable, enroll in Capital One's rewards redemption programs for maximum value. Redeem your rewards strategically, aiming for options that provide the most value. Be mindful of expiration dates on your points to avoid losing them. Finally, review your credit card account each month for any updates or changes to rewards. By staying informed and engaged, you can fully maximize your Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.